Flask doesn't print to console. I'm new to Flask, and I'm trying to add print info to debug server-side code. When launch my Flask app with debug equals true, I can't get any info print to console. I tried to use logging instead, but no success. So how to debug Flask program with console? I fixed server-side 500 error issue, now request get 200 code, and console displays following info. Still no info from print command.
By default the level for logging is warning. So you won't see a logging message of level debug. To fix this, just enable debug logging with the basic config function of the logging module.
Try this and see if it helps. For Python 2. For Python 3 you don't need to import from future print_ function. See if it helps to print to console.
Had the same printing problem. Using sys.stout.flush after the print solved the issue.
You can force to flush stout directly from print. This way you don't have to print to sys.str, which flushes by default. The reason for your problem is line buffering. Line buffering makes I/O more efficient with the drawback of not immediately showing prints under some conditions.
Ultimately, a